Let's break down how to fix cracks in concrete driveway. Here's what you need to know. Clean debris. Insert backer rod. Fill with self-leveling polyurethane sealant, Sikaflex. Do not use rigid mortar patches. Quick answer: fix concrete cracks by cleaning debris, inserting backer rod for wide cracks, and filling with self-leveling polyurethane caulk. Seal after curing. Moving on to how to fix cracks in concrete driveway, professional method. Fixing driveway cracks properly prevents them from getting worse and keeps water out. The wrong repair method will fail quickly. This guide covers the professional approach that actually works. Next up, Step 1, clean debris. Remove all loose material, dirt, and debris from the crack. Use compressed air or vacuum. Pressure washer, low pressure, if needed. The crack must be completely clean for the sealant to adhere properly. Let's talk about Step 2, insert backer rod, for wide cracks. For cracks wider than a 1/4 inch, insert backer rod, foam rope. Compress backer rod slightly so it fits snugly. Place it at the bottom of the crack. This reduces the amount of sealant needed. Here's the deal with Step 3, fill with self-leveling polyurethane sealant. Use self-leveling polyurethane sealant, like Sikaflex. Flexible, expands and contracts with temperature. Won't crack like rigid materials. Self-leveling for easy application. Now let's look at what not to use. Don't use rigid mortar patches. They crack and fail. Don't expand/contract with concrete. Create more problems than they solve. Moving on to the bottom line. Clean thoroughly, use backer rod for wide cracks, and fill with flexible polyurethane sealant. Never use rigid mortar, it will fail. Proper crack repair prevents water damage and stops cracks from getting worse. Need professional crack repair? Contact local concrete contractor. We use the right materials and techniques for lasting repairs. Next up, need help with your concrete project? For a free quote on your project, visit localconcretecontractor.com. Thanks for watching.